Yet another KISS flight controller bites the dust. I didn't even crash this one hard, man. I mean, I don't get it. I really don't. I love the way KISS flies, man. And I got a lot of KISS shit. And I've flown KISS for a lot of years, guys. And, man, it's not rugged. It's just not rugged, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I don't have this kind of problem with, like, some of the other stuff that I fly. You know, I got DJI stuff, you know. I'm not going to lie. That's HGLRC Zeus with DJI setup, brother. Hobbies on the Bando Killer, man. This thing been crashed, smashed. I mean, never had a problem, man, with the flight controller. I've lost motors, but this, guys, man, this stuff is so expensive, and I have a hard time keeping these things in the air. I mean, there's 3 V1s right there, right? Dead. Gone. All right, whatever. So they're V1s. Who cares, right? You want V2s. Well, here's a V2. Dead. And like I said, it crashed backwards. It didn't even bend the props, guys. And dead. It's got voltage to the board, no voltage out. Here's another KISS setup. It's a V1 setup. Crashed it. And it's on the bench. Here's another KISS setup. This one actually flies. But this is going to be my last V2, guys, that I think I'm going to invest in KISS. I mean, I've been through ESCs out the butt, too. This is just a couple. I've got a few other quads that are torn apart, but I mean, there's 132, the rest are 24 races. And I've got one more backup. And then I'm going to all 4-in-1. You know, I like the way KISS flies. That's why, you know, I use it. But unless you just putt around and, I mean, if you're Mr. Steele and you're the man and you got all the money and all the equipment, but at $70 a pop for these, you know, and it gets expensive, guys. I gave a lot of money to Fly Duino. And I'm going to try the KISS Ultra. Don't get me wrong. But this is just so frustrating. It's more work, I think, to build these. Gotta have a PDB, you know. And I buy all the good stuff too, guys. You know, Crossfire, Foxeer camera, TBS VTX, alien frame. You know, I've got, you know, I don't mind spending money, man, but it just gets frustrating when the shit just breaks all the time. You know, do I got to become an electrical engineer to learn how to repair this shit? What do I got to do, kids? And you know what? These little connectors, I don't know why, but they break on most of my builds. These didn't break, but I think it's the way they're exposed on the aliens. These ones aren't broken. Those got broke. Those are broken. How does it get broken inside there like that? I don't know. Anyways, that's enough complaining about KISS. I love their shit. It's just so fragile. Can you guys please build it more robust? Put it inside a steel case. Put it inside some kind of something. Do something, please. Bye.